Chunfeng New Energy Technology Company Limited is a national-level technology-based enterprise established in 2011. The factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters and focuses on the research and development, manufacturing, and customization of HVAC products. Our products include household heating and cooling heat pumps, household hot water heat pumps, swimming pool heat pumps, high-temperature steam engines, gas wall-mounted boilers, etc. Low-temperature EVA heat pumps have been widely used for residential heating in cold regions. In addition, due to its advantages of safety, efficiency, environmental protection, and low energy consumption, it has become a solution to replace traditional boilers. Our products are exported to many countries in the Americas, Europe, Central Asia, Africa, Southeast Asia, and more.